So we've got a vertex at the origin and a focus at 1/8, 0, 1/8. All right, well, let's remember what vertex form looks like for a parabola. Okay, so h and k come from the vertex. So we actually already have both of those. The only thing we need is a. And we know that the distance between vertex and focus equals 1/4a. Okay, so in the past, we've usually had the equation so we know a, and then we calculate the distance. Well, this time we're sort of going the other way. So the distance between the vertex and the focus is they're 1/8 of a unit apart. Okay, so now I just need to solve for a. So maybe I'll cross multiply. 4a equals 8, which means that a equals 2. Okay, so I just plug in 2 for a, plug in 0 for h, and plug in 0 for k. So this just simplifies actually to 2x squared. Okay, write the equation of a parabola with vertex 8, 9. That's way up there. And directrix 73/8, which equals 9 and 1/8. Okay, so this time the directrix is above the vertex, which means that the parabola must open downward. Okay, well, I can use a similar strategy to problem 1. So I've got the vertex again. So this time h will be 8 and k will be 9. And again, I know that the distance, well, last time I said between vertex and focus, but we know by definition the distance between the vertex and the directrix is equal. Okay, so this time the distance between the vertex and the directrix, the distance between 8, 9 and the line 9 and 1/8 equals y would be 1/8 of a unit. Okay, so again, cross multiply, and a equals 2 again. But this time, because I know the parabola opens downward, a must be a negative value. Right, so solving for the distance, I only get the absolute value of the answer. I need to decide myself if it's positive or negative. Okay, so y equals -2 parentheses x minus h, which is 8, squared, plus k, which is 9. Okay, does the point -4, 297 exist on this parabola? Well, if it does, it will make the equation true. So instead of x, I plug in -4. Okay, order of operations, do what's in parentheses first. -4 minus 8. -4 plus -8 is -12. Okay, exponent next. -12 times itself is positive 144. Multiplication, -2 times 144 is -288. Okay, -288 plus 9. So that means I move closer to 0. So that would be -279, which is not equal.